You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Dutch city in the Netherlands. For more Dutch names, stay tuned. There are more videos you'll want to listen to. Dutch pronunciation here, and then how it's said in English. Maastricht is how it's pronounced in the Netherlands in English. Generally, correct pronunciation, Maastricht. Maastricht. From Dutch, Maastricht. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.